The Supreme Court is all set to hear a fresh intervention plea linked to the NEET-UG protests. An IIT Patna student who claims that she was injured during the July 20th Sansad Chalo demonstration has sought directions for a uniform nationwide crowd control SOP, or a standard operating procedure. The plea also seeks mandatory name badges and identification numbers for police officials deployed at protests, alleging that some officers involved in the use of force could not be identified. The application comes in the pending case on alleged police excesses during the NEET-UG protests, with the matter listed for hearing on August 3. So this is the latest regarding the NEET-UG protests. On July 20th, the entire Sansad Chalo demonstration that had taken place. Now we have a student from IIT Patna who was claiming that she was injured during this entire demonstration, and she has sought standard operating procedures to be laid down for the forces who are deployed for crowd control over there. So she's also asked for identification badges to be present, and also name badges. Let me go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who has more information on this front. Sambhav, Supreme Court is all set to hear a fresh intervention plea which is linked to the NEET-UG protests. Take us through the details.
Claims to have injured during the police action on this July 20th Sansad Chalo protest has moved the Supreme Court. And the directions he's seeking the directions for uniform crowd control protocol and mandatory identification of police personnel deployed at protests. And as per this petition, the presence and participation of identified persons in the use of coercive force against citizens raise serious questions of transparency, accountability, and institutional responsibility. According to this petition, there are persons who are alleging that there were atrocities by police personnel. So there should be a mandatory identification. This is what the petition is. Petition is saying. This particular student, IIT Patna student, has said in his petition. However, having said that, the Supreme Court is all set to hear earlier petitions on Monday, because see, remember, this week itself, the top court has asked the Delhi police, the center, to preserve the logs of all the arms and ammunition used in the protest, and also see the Supreme Court has entertained the petitions of the protesters, and also corpse families are now